Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make some delicious southern style green beans and potatoes, my favorite. So make sure you stick around. For this recipe, I am using about 1 to 2 pounds of fresh green beans. Now, this is how we prepared them. Okay, first off, make sure you rinse them, okay? You want to take some kitchen shears and snip off the ends of the green beans. If you leave those on there, they will still remain hard even after you cook it. So you want to snip that off. You can also chop your green beans in half if you like, or you can leave them whole. So we're going to cover this with some water. If you prefer to add chicken broth, you can add that. But if you're using water, you want to use some salt in there. So we used about a tablespoon of salt. So we're going to add 1 large russet potato. You can use more if you like. It's your recipe. You can make it how you like it. You can also use a red potato as well. So as you can see, we are just chopping these down into small chunks. I cut about a 1/4 cup. Actually, that ain't my hand. That's my husband's hand. He cut about a 1/4 cup of a yellow onion, and now he is adding this to the pot. So we are also going to add a tablespoon of minced garlic, and we're also going to add a little more salt and some pepper to taste. You can also add some of your favorite seasoning to the pot if you like. So we're also using 8 strips of bacon, or maybe it was 10. It could have been 15 and we ate about 5 of them. You know how it is. But we are using some bacon and we're going to chop this down. Make sure that you have cooked the bacon. You can fry it, bake it, microwave it, however you like to cook it. So we are also going to add some bacon grease because we're cool like that. We're gonna add some bacon grease right up in the green beans. Heat this on your stove top on high heat. You can cook your green beans for about 45 minutes to an hour, or until it reaches the desired tenderness that you prefer. If you are using russet potatoes, I do recommend that you wait and throw those in there the last 15 minutes of cooking. And I'm going to show you how we plated this up. Green beans are the perfect side dish. It pairs very well with some white rice, just like this, and some neck bones. And if you did not catch my neck bone video, make sure you check it out. Thank you for watching. Please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe, and please share. And I hope to catch you in my next video.